Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill. Select Google Password Manager and click on this plus next to Search Passwords to add a new one. Then type in all of those informations. At the top you can pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number. Enter password, saucer click, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!